Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is absolutely perfect if you are looking for a nice humidifier set. This is a 2-pack and it was sent over by a company called Homvana, and absolutely love this because, like I said, it comes as a 2-pack. They're perfect for a bedroom, perfect for a nursery, perfect for your office because they're a nice little compact size here. So obviously, as you can see, they're right here on either side of me. You do get a little brush here to help keep them nice and clean. They're very easy to clean. And then naturally, you're going to get an instruction manual. We're covering all the features right here in the video. Now, these little guys are essentially a 1.5 liter tank in here. So on the lower setting, it's gonna have 2 settings, a low setting and a high setting. They're gonna last about 15 hours when they're full of water. So they last all night long, which is absolutely great. Very, very easy to fill up. So first off, you can either just fill up through the main top reservoir, or you can even just go ahead, if you're carrying like water to it, the top part just pulls out and you can pour it through this as well. But this also makes it easy to clean. So you can easily clean the underside of that. You can easily clean the basket part. And then obviously the main reservoir itself, I love how wide this is because you can get in there and make sure everything is deep clean. So that's the big thing. You don't want any mold or anything getting in your humidifiers because you don't want to introduce that in your air at all. Now, you'll notice when it's running here right next to me, it is super, super quiet. So it is not going to disturb you if you have this in your bedroom, which is one of the features also I love about it. So this is on the low setting. You press the button and you'll notice it's now on the higher setting. It puts out a lot more kind of mist here. Now this is an ultrasonic little plate down there that's producing that mist and sending it up the top part. It does, you know, to kind of put the direction, you're just going to twist the whole entire lid part itself, and that's going to allow you to adjust where the steam is going itself. Now, if you do have this in a kid's room or something like that, and it does have built-in nightlight features, you're going to have 7 different colors, which is pretty cool. Next to the power button is a little light button. Just go ahead and tap that, and you'll notice it's going to cycle through those color options for you, and you can pick whatever color you want. Now, if you're like me and you're like light sensitive, you don't want any light on in the evening time when you're going to bed, even the little red, or even the little kind of orange light at the power button, no problem. Hit the little kind of closed eyes and it's gonna turn off all the lighting for you. So that way it's completely dark and it's still gonna put out the mist. I love that feature of this aspect. Now, if you wish to set this on a timer, you can do that as well. It does have a 3-hour timer, a 6-hour timer, or a 9-hour timer. So if you wanna run it like, you know, just while you are sleeping and where it'll automatically turn off, you can do that as well. But if you don't set the timer, no worries. If it completely goes dry, it's going to automatically turn off on you, so that way it doesn't burn out the motor or anything like that. Now, speaking of kind of safety features, this is all made out of a nice BPA-free plastic housing on it, and it's going to be able to put in essential oils. So if you do like to have essential oils added to your humidifiers, you can do that. You can simply drop a couple drops in there and it's not going to corrode the exterior part. It's going to be able to go ahead and mix with the water and then flow into the air so you can get that nice lavender when you're going to sleep, for example. But overall, like I said, if you're just looking for a great little mini humidifier for your kind of compact space, bedrooms, office, that kind of zones to keep your air nice and moist, these are totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.